Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post 2D photo on IMVU. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and tap on the feed icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now go ahead and tap on 2D photo. Here you can edit your avatar as you wish. Here you can find various backgrounds, poses, scribbles and filters for your avatar. Once you're done editing your avatar, tap on Next at the top right of your screen. Tap on the Post button at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully posted 2D photo on IMVU. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.